What's up, my Credit Web Capital crew? This is Renata with Credit Web Capital. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell notification button so you won't miss out on any information that we put out on every single Wednesday. Now, today, we're going to talk about businesses that you can start for less than $1,000. So, without further ado, let's get it. Okay, you guys. Now, like I said, we're going to here talk about businesses that you can start for less than $1,000. So if you want to stop working for somebody else and work for yourself, this is the best way that you can actually do so. Now, the first thing that I'm also going to do is let you know that you can also start your own credit repair company for less than $1,000. If you're interested, click the link below, and you can actually get in contact with me and we can actually go ahead and help you out with that issue, okay? As well as before you start any business or anything, make sure you set up the business right. You got to make sure that you have a business phone number, 800 number, email address, business website. You want to make sure that your business is a business, okay? Because of the fact that if you're going to want to eventually build business credit and get a business loan, you want to make sure you've done it right the first time, okay? So make sure you get that EIN number and that DMB number as well, okay? Now, if you want to know more about that, put down below how to build a business correctly or build business, okay? And just let me know and I'll go ahead and do a video on it, okay? So now the first thing that you business that you should get is freelance service, okay? Now offer your skills and experience for a freelancer, serving like graphic designer, writing, social media management, web development, or even a virtual assistant can start with minimum expense. Okay, so freelancing is a wonderful thing to do. Now, next is online store. Start an e-commerce store, sell niche products. You can use platforms like SoFile or Etsy to create your online store and sell products, sources for suppliers or other homemade items. Okay. Now another one is drop shipping business. Run a drop shipping business where you can sell products to customers without holding any inventory, and your suppliers handle shipping and reduce upfront costs, so you won't have to worry about having no hands on. Anyways, this is a great way to have a second additional income where you don't really have to do anything, okay? But set it up, and that it can be hard. But if you know somebody that can assist you, it's the best way, especially if they have somebody. And that's why I always say, if you're trying to do something that somebody else has already done, go ahead and inbox them and see if they will mentor you in doing so. So that way you won't go and get all these pits and falls, okay? So make sure you find a mentor within your niche that you can actually that they can actually help you get to where you need to be, okay? So that way you will shorten that learning curve, okay? I always say, because right now I have 2 mentors in my business, and best believe me, actually 3, and I love it to death. They come up with so many ideas that I wouldn't even think of because, working in the business, you don't think of other things. So get your mentor, okay? Now, next is handmade crafts. Okay, create and sell handmade crafts for a personal product through online marketing or craft fairs. Now, creating handmade crafts, a lot of people are doing the cups, t-shirts, are some examples that I've seen around my area that a lot of people are doing. Okay. Now, next is cleaning service. Start a residential or commercial cleaning service. You can begin it with basic cleaning supplies and expand as your business grows. So a cleaning service is a great way. But again, make sure you set up all these businesses so that way you won't have to redo anything. Another thing is pet services. A lot of people go on vacation and they need somebody to watch their pet. So offer pet sitting, dog walking, or pet grooming service in your local area. Have a mobile website that you can actually, a mobile what is it, mobile service for pets. That's what I'm trying to think of, that you offer, because a lot of people will love it. Okay. Personal fitness training. If you have a passion for fitness, become a certified personal trainer and offer that one-on-one group training session that people love. Okay. Because right now the gyms and all that are being oversaturated, and a lot of people don't want to go to the gym because they don't want to be stared at or look any type of way or being judged in general. So if you have that passion for fitness training, go for it. Okay. Now, event planning. Provide event planning and coordination service for weddings, parties, or any corporate events. And this is a great way to get out in a public eye. If you love hosting parties or doing parties, period. Photography. Start a photography business specializing in portraits, weddings, events, or even product photography. Can't even talk today. But Jesus. Now, this is a great way to be able to hustle. And also, if you're looking to have a calendar, you can go to, I believe it's Google Calendar. Um, they have a link that you can actually use to give to other people so they can actually set a time, and it's actually for free. So that way you can actually manage your time wisely as well, and then you can actually block out what days that you're not available on there, so that way it will keep you organized, because I know we have life outside of businesses. You might have a, dream funder, which is that W-2 job. You might have kids, a family, a husband, taking care of your house. You have other things going on. So it is a great thing to get organized, so that way it won't drive you crazy. Less crazy. Okay, now after photographer, you should start a garden or landscaping service. Offer gardening and landscaping service to homeowners or businesses. Now, this is a quick way, especially if you already have the equipment. You can go out there and mow some yards, because a lot of people, it's getting hot, and I stay in Florida, so it's hot out that door. So a lot of older people, they don't want to fool with it. So knock on some doors, make you some business cards, tape them to the door, and keep it moving. Throw them in the mailbox, and to let it spread the word, okay, for that lawn service. Mobile car wash. Provide mobile car washing and detailing service to clients at their home or work. And this is a great place, especially if you're a workaholic and you need your car wash. This is a great way to actually get it done on your time, okay? Now, make sure that they are reliable, and okay, but start your own car wash business. Great way to get in it, okay? Online course or tutorial. Okay, AI is everywhere. You can actually create your own course in any skill that you have and share it. Share your experience by creating a self, excuse me. Share your experience by creating and selling an online course of offering tutoring service for a specific subject or niche that you're in. Okay, so that is another great way. It is so many more things that you can actually do. Besides doing an online course, you can do a mobile repair service, a content creation, as well as a personal shopping or stylist. Okay, so remember, when starting a business with a limited budget, it is crucial to focus on providing value to your customer, utilizing cost effective marketing strategies such as social media and word of mouth, and re-innovate your earning back into business to fuel and grow. Okay, as your business expands, you can allocate more resources to scale and reach your new heights. Okay, so get these businesses, okay, build that financial freedom so you won't have to struggle and work paycheck to paycheck. So this way ends will meet and you can scale up, and then you can actually get that dream funder, that W-2. You can go to part-time instead of full-time and work for yourself, okay? Because I am an advocate of working for yourself. Now, if you want your own credit repair business, if you need any business funding or business credit, please get in contact with me. I'll leave my phone number in the link below, and I'm willing to help, okay? And don't forget, join us on our Facebook group as well as our podcast. So you won't miss out on any information that we put out, okay? So my name is Renata. This is Credit Wealth Capital. Be you, be true, and let's keep moving forward. I'll see you on the next one.